This is Aniket Singh studying grade 6, going to tell you about tiles. My speech is divided into 4 parts. First, material. Second, types. Third, differences. Last, application. First, material. Tiles. First, marble. Marble is a highly durable stone that exists in almost every color. It is a natural stone, so it offers elegance and also a aesthetic value. Second, slate. Slate is a metamorphic rock that exists in almost range of color like blue, grey, green, red, and it also have veins of color running throughout it, but it means no styles identical. Third, quartzite. Quartzite are the highly durable non-slip stone that can be creased or sealed with darker shade after applying also. Forwood. Forwood is a natural offering wood that come with many benefits like being more durable than the hardwood. The tiles present as wood, but it is actually ceramic. Now I will going to tell you about differences. Marble and quartzite are same in color, but marble are the slippy ones and the quartzite are the non-slippy ones. Application. Marble are used in all of our home. Quartzites are used in paving a pool, driveways, arch, and it make an addition in the kitchen. Third, forwood are used in our bedrooms and halls. Now I will going to give you some advice. You can use marble for your home. You can use quartzite for bathroom and kitchen because there were no slipping, and you can use forwood for bedroom and hall. If you can't afford it, marble is best choice for you. Thank you.